let's shop. We're here at Cascadia Cup 2018, where although we don't have any food provided, we've been interviewing our new people with their own food.
Oh, guys!
There's no point.
We're currently postponed for short, but it's been a great regatta. So much fun and lots of wind. So, now we're going to head over to our interviews.
What is your opinion of your lunch today?
Oh, my opinion of my lunch today is moderate to high, I would say.
And what is contained within it?
So, contained within my lunch today, well, most of it's now contained within me, but when it was in the box, there was a carrot which I had peeled myself this morning, and then chopped the head off. I
Out of
peeled
curiosity.
it because, well, I think first of all I might have dropped it on the floor or something,
Okay.
and secondly, it just doesn't taste as good when you don't peel it. I chopped off the head of the carrot because it had committed unforgivable crimes against people of America and the proletariat of the world. And it didn't have any last words. And then I made myself a pulled pork sandwich with barbecue sauce after sloppily cutting a bun in half, which actually doesn't taste bad. The cutting of the bun does not affect the taste very much, surprisingly. And then chips. And overall, I give it at least like a 2 out of 3.
On the Tillman scale of unhealthiness of lunch, what grade would you give it?
On the Tillman scale.
Yeah, Tillman herb scale.
What is the range of the Tillman herb?
It goes from an E to a A, or an A+. But A+, it has to be super, super unhealthy to get an A+.
Yeah, I'd say maybe a B- on that one.
Okay.
And salt on the chips does not help.
He uses unhealthiness as a proxy for how good the lunch is.
I ate one of Kaya's veggie straws. That's been my lunch so far.
And how would you rate it?
It's pretty good. I think it was green one.
I'm so hurt.
And so on the Tillman scale of unhealthiness of lunch, how would you rate it?
I don't think
I'm not familiar with it.
Okay, the Tillman herb scale ranges from an E to an A+, based on the unhealthiness of lunch,
Unhealthiness?
as a proxy for how good it is.
Jeez, I don't know. Can't pass judgment.
Okay.
Veggie straw.
Wait, that's your okay.
So I had some pasta. It was very unevenly heated. I would say that's the microwave's fault in the staff room, widely known as the protest room. It was a pretty good lunch overall though. Pretty light, but you know, that's a failing grade. This is like a D+.
I think a D+ is technically passing. It's just not a passing GPA.
Call it like an E then.
Okay. and did you care to give a percentage?
It's
Like a 57 maybe?
like a 45. It was pretty healthy.
45. Wow. Wow, you really suck at this whole lunch business, don't you? You need to make them a lot more unhealthy.
Yeah. It was like the weird ones that have like the circle, like the half circle, and then like the weird like ridges. You know?
Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching Hella Chum. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And join us next time at Orcas Island for the Trick or Treat Regatta. It's sure to be quite a treat.
Hey Wesley, what did you have for lunch?